You thought I was feeling you? Yabba dabba doo munch. You might be able to make me cry, but you will never see me bat an eyelash out of place. Cali Ray Come High or Hell Water Volumizing Tubing Mascara has a life-proof formula. The packaging is made from recycled ocean plastics. The bristles allow the application of the product to leave your lashes clump-free, perfect for those that don't want to rely on a codependent relationship. The formula is multifaceted, volumizing, curling, and lengthening, making it more talented and longer lasting than any crush I've ever had on a man. You can maintain thickness and natural looking lashes because it's easy to build coverage. Although it's waterproof and smudge proof, removing products will be just as easy as applying. When you're ready to remove, there's no additional steps that you need to take in order to remove your eye makeup. Just use warm water and light pressure in order to remove this mascara into tubes. Since I put y'all on early, Ariana still has tears left to cry, so go ahead and cry, bestie. We're unaffected here.